Hey YouTubers, Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. If you're joining us from the previous video where we installed the actual hinges on the door, glad to have you. Now it's time to take the hinges that connect the door hinges to the actual storage unit and install those on the storage unit. Let's get started. Now let's direct our attention back to the actual connections where the hinges that we just installed on the door will attach to on the actual storage unit. What we need to do at this point is install those on the storage unit, not the doors. There's the storage unit. Again, we chose the 93-inch storage unit. And in the event that you have not done this before, most people recommend one person holding the door in place while the other one properly positions and secures the additional connection hinges to the actual storage unit. However, since we've already done this with an additional storage unit, we know exactly where they will go and we're going to show you. Grabbing the first connection hinge, we are going to climb all the way to the top portion of the storage unit. And where we meet the top board, we are going to count down 1, 2, 3, 4. Holes number 3 and 4 are where this hinge is going to go in and be secured. And pay very close attention to how this hinge is positioned. The longer portion of the hinge on the left side is pointing into the storage unit. Let's grab our Phillips screw and secure both those screws. Top hinge is on and secure. Let's direct our attention all the way down to the very bottom and do the exact same count from the bottom board. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Holes 3 and 4 are where the lower hinge is going to be installed. Bottom hinge is on and secure. And continuing with the counting game, we are going to count up from this hole right here all the way up to hole 28 and 29. As you can see here, this is hole 28, this is hole 29. This is where you install the lower hinge in the middle portion of the door. Let's secure both these Phillips screws. The lower middle hinge is on and secure. And again, continuing with the counting game, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 is where the top middle hinge will be positioned and secured. Let's go ahead and tighten these screws. Both screws are on and secure, and at this point all 4 hinges, lower, both middle, and the top hinges are positioned and secured properly. And again, in relation to where the hinges are secured on the storage unit and what holes, the counting game we just played, this references a 93-inch door and a 93-inch storage unit. Now it's time to install the cushions. And as you know, all you do with these is peel one off and secure it on the lower portion corner of the door. We'll insert the second one up top. That's it for hinge bag number 1. As you can see, each bag contains the hinges for a single door and a single side of a storage unit, which means you want to make sure that you purchase the right amount of hinges before leaving the store. We'll grab the second bag and install them on the second door as well as the storage unit. Opened up the second bag of hinges and installed all 4 hinges on the door, as well as the hinges that are secured to the actual storage unit. Okay YouTubers, we are making progress. Before we actually put the door on the storage unit, we need to install the door handles. At the end of this video, you will see where we drill the holes and insert and secure the door handles. At the end of that video, we'll come back and we will actually take the entire door with the hinges and the handles and we will install them on the actual storage unit. We'll see you at the next video. Do us a favor, below the video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notification bell, because once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that will be awesome. Thanks again.